Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about the logical link control which is there in the DCCN concept. Okay, logical link control, it's nothing but you are said to be linking the service to the other end. You are said to be mainly whatever data which is said to be present in the physical layer, it is being transferred to the upper layer which is being present. In this LLC, you even have the MAC protocol which will help you out in communicating. Okay, this it has a concept called as link control access points which are there, which give service from one end to another end, and they are said to be most important one for the communicating of information, plus even it has the primitives to communicate whether the information is said to be connection oriented or connectionless, or it has been receiving or sending the acknowledgement, or that information is being considered in the LLC protocol. Okay, so this unacknowledged connectionless service is nothing but where the information is being sent and it is not said to be sending any reward message to the concerned device. At that time, it is said to be an unacknowledged connectionless service. Unacknowledged is nothing but when the information is not said to be reached to the other end and it is not said to be sending any response to the other end. That is said to be unacknowledged connectionless service. Okay, here the request has to be transferred to the upper layers. If it is not being provided, the indication it has to be provided to the upper layer that the information has been not conveyed and it has to be once again resent back. Mainly the MAC, it will help you out in communicating and pass down the information to the other end. Okay, so this connection mode service is nothing but when the information is being correct, everything is said to be request is said to be fine, and the information is being conveyed with the certain acknowledgement. Then you have a connection mode, and it is said to be sent and receiving the information. It is said to be giving the information whether received or not, and it will be even specifying the sequence number which has reached and which has not reached, and which is said to be having the errors. And if errors are there, what is the recovery? That information it will be conveyed. Okay, even the rejection information is also being conveyed at each and every level. Okay, so in the connection mode service, when it is said to be being done, it has the concept of how information is being transferred. It will be transferred from one end to another end. The connection is being connected. If the connection is connected, then it will be resending back the acknowledgement. Okay, after something else, if the data has to be sent, it will be sending the data. Okay, the information of that particular data with the number it is being passing the information, and once again an acknowledgement is being received at the other end. Okay, it is ready to send the that information it will be sent. Okay, so then afterwards when you check out the diagram says what LLC, it will be sending the request and confirming the request. Here also when the request is being accepted, the indication of okay data has to be sent, that it will be sent by the logical link control protocol. Okay, acknowledgement connection service is nothing but it's a service which is being provided whether the information is being passed. When it is being passed, it is received a guaranteed information, it has to be sent to the other end. Okay, the connectionless service, it is ready to it is connected, and information, okay, after connection the data transmission can happen in the connection, that it will be sent. Okay, and in the introduction part of the LLC protocol, there are three types. Okay, in the LLC protocol, it's nothing but unacknowledged connectionless service, connection oriented service, and acknowledgement connectionless service. These three are being considered. It will be using the concept of the PDUs, which will help you out in transferring the information, that is but protocol data units. It will be having the DSAP, nothing but the services which are being provided by the service access points. It will be having an address. Through that address only it gets communicated, sends and receives the information. Okay, even it may even have a 8 to 16 bit long field it can have. Even it will help you out in passing the informations through the PDUs, and it will be using the concept of IEEE concept, where the PDUs are set and removed from the context when the information is transferred. Okay, so this is the structure of this PDU, it will be consisting the DSAP, SSAP, the control and the information which is the structure of the LLC. Okay. Even it has the information which is being transmitted and received. So that it will be set as sender, that is NS, and receiver NR. And supervisory frames are there which will be checking out for the various frames which are being sent, and modifier, if any modifications are there, then it will be specifying with M, and PF is nothing but the pole final bit. Okay. And the type 1 operation, mainly it will be a unnumbered information format which is being carried out and it will be sent. If any unnumbered information is there, then the error is being rectified and it has to be reverted back. It will be checked through the particular XIDs, tested, and it will be reverted back. Okay. And in the type 2, it is said to be the connection mode service. When the information is being passed, it is being checking out for the connection which is being established at that particular moment. If the connection is said to be correct, then it transfers the information, and after transferring, it will be disconnecting each and every time when the information is being transferred. Okay, data transfer happens at each and every level through the help of the protocol data units. It transfers the information from one end to another end. It receives and sends the information from one end to another end. Okay, and even the data transfer which is there, it will be in the format, it will be receiving the ready state, receiver's ready state to accept the information. It will be having the supervisory phase which will accept through the help of the receiver's concept, and receiver not ready, then it will not send any information. And if any rejection is there, it will reject that particular process. Connection tear down process is there. If any problem is there in the connection, then it will disconnect the connection and once again it may re-establish the connection. And it will be having the concept of peer-to-peer transmission of information from one end to another end. And if any problem is there, if acknowledgement is there, the PDUs, it will not send the information to the other end. Okay, and this is how the information is being sent and received. It will be sent, received, unacknowledged frames are there. It will be discontinued here. And if it is being acknowledgement, it will be sending. If it is not ready means it will not send. When it is ready, it will send the information. Not ready, it will not send. When it is ready, it will be sent. Like that information, when it is only ready, then it will be continuing and sending the information. Okay. Logical control protocol, it is dependent on the time, and if any rejection is there, even it rejects that particular frame and it will be coming out of the context. And type 3 operation, it is nothing but an acknowledgement of the connection-less service. It will be using the concept of the PDU also here also to get the acknowledgement from the receiver at each and every time. An acknowledgement, it will be an unnumbered one, mainly it will be sending, and it will be sent through the particular format. If it is numbered, it will be received. If it is not numbered, it will not be received, the acknowledgement. Okay. These are the concept. Remember, when the information is being transferred in the concept of logical link control, you have to follow the concept of connection and connectionless or connection oriented services through which you are said to be getting communicated. The link is mainly dependent on the connection which is being utilized to get communicated from one end to another, and it will be in the format of the sequence numbered in which the data flows, and it will be received in that particular order only. Okay, so this is the part of the LLC. LLC mainly it will help you out in getting connected from one end to another end and get the data transferred. When it is said to be ready, then only the information is being transferred, and acknowledgement is received, then only the information is transferred. Otherwise, it will not be transferring any information. Okay.